How to access Walmart's real estate services. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to access Walmart's real estate services. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, visit the Walmart real estate website. Walmart has a dedicated real estate page on their corporate website. You can access it by navigating to Walmart's official site and searching for real estate or property development. This page often provides information about leasing opportunities, development guidelines, and contact details. Next, contact Walmart's real estate team and further submit an online inquiry. Now go ahead and check local store development. If you are interested in opening a new Walmart store or are curious about upcoming store openings in your area, you can often find information about new store locations and potential development areas on your Walmart website or by contacting local store managers or regional development offices. You can also attend real estate and development events. Attending these events can help in opportunities to network with Walmart's real estate professionals and learn more about potential opportunities. So, this is how you can access Walmart's real estate services. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.